How to invite friends in Hamster Kombat. Now, to invite a friends in Hamster Kombat, it's actually quite simple. Let's go ahead and begin by opening Hamster Kombat. So this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap the play button down here, and then we're just going to go ahead and make this big. So from this point forward, you're just going to wait for this one to load totally until you are in the dashboard. So this one right here, for example. Now you have the friends option right here. I want you to go ahead and click that over there, and then what you're going to do is just tap the invite button right here, so you can click this one, and then what you're going to do is basically choose whom you want to send this to. For example, this one right here, I can send this to this particular person, or say for example you want to invite them from a different platform, then what you're going to do is just copy this one. So I'm going to go ahead and long press this and then hit the copy button right here. So after copying this one, you can just go ahead and close this one and open, say for example, a different platform. I'm going to choose Messenger here, and then I'm going to send this to a particular user. So say for example, this is the friend that I want to invite. I can just go ahead and paste everything here, and then you're going to make sure that you have the link here as well. After doing so, just go ahead and click the send button, and once they click this one, you should be able to invite them in your Hamster Kombat. And yep, that is how you are going to invite friends in Hamster Kombat.